by their action, they have brought about distrust. This action of betraying people who have contributed to their success initially has brought about distrust in NDA allies. This has huge national ramifications. One urge of Pramod Sawant to create his own Goikarpon government. His version of Goikarpon government has created distrust among NDA allies in the country. I was in Delhi yesterday. I met various people from various different political parties, mostly NDA allies, who say that this action makes them watch their back. I think this government and the people who are heading this government have started a new technique. The technique is to go and mislead the central leadership. Do something which is completely unethical and immoral. And then come to Goa and tell their cadre that this is a decision of the central leadership. When actually the central leadership is not at all involved. So this is the new modus operandi of this government. A government without vision, a government that is only reading out previous contributions of the previous chief minister, and which is dismantling his legacy day in and day out.